Ayaw niyo mag-isa. Sige. Bilisan mo. Magkano ka, Feb?
Ha?
Saglit.
Nandito sa...
Saglit. Sige, patakbit.
Asan na siya? There. Yan na siya. Here she comes. Well, wala na kaming pera. Yun. Everlasting. So, actually, 30 minutes is 200 pesos. Pero si Manong, sinabi na lang niya na we will just give them how much. Yun siya. Yun. Go, Clarice. Yeah, she's coming. She's waving her hand, of course. And she's with Kuya. There she goes. Clarice, papunta na doon. Yan po sila. So, nakaisang round po kami. Oh, where are they there? Okay.